Are you looking for the most reliable and trustworthy cloud mining website? Well, you have come to the correct place. We have compiled a list of the greatest cloud mining sites currently available on the internet. Hey guys, it is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways and how you can wisely monetize your time online. In this video, we will talk about what cloud mining is to how you can rent out equipment to make sure your mining process runs smoothly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. So without further ado, let us begin. Cloud mining is a method of participating in a mining pool and purchasing a set quantity of hash power. On the basis of allocated hash power, an equal proportion of profit is dispersed among all members in the mining pool. It enables you to mine cryptocurrencies without the need for any additional hardware. Many firms will do the legwork for you and participate in cloud mining on your behalf for a low fee. If you want to earn free cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, check out our comprehensive list of the finest Bitcoin faucets. To begin cloud mining, there are a number of top legitimate cloud mining sites that guarantee the highest level of protection for your assets while also offering full set of services. We will now discuss the greatest and highest rated Bitcoin cloud mining websites available. Free mining is the first on our list. Users can mine Bitcoin for passive revenue on the free mining cloud mining service. After registering up and inputting a wallet address, a user can begin mining cryptocurrency in only a few steps. The cloud mining website offers a variety of cloud mining solutions ranging from entry-level to enterprise level. Customers can buy different investment plans and get paid predetermined amount of BTC every day instead of buying hash rates or hosting cryptocurrency cloud mining rigs. This distinguishes it from the other packages on the list. Users can upgrade at any moment from the free mining package, which generates 0.0000250 BTC on a daily basis. Withdrawals take between 2 and 4 hours and require a minimum of 0.002 BTC. Bitcoin is the sole way of payment that is accepted. Aside from the daily payments, free mining offers free spins to win additional Bitcoin on the lucky game. The basic plan includes 5 free spins, while the corporate package includes 125 free spins. New users also get 3 free spins on the lucky game. Bonuses from 0.0004 BTC for the basic arrangement to 0.07 BTC for the enterprise package. They have an affiliate program that has 5 levels of earning in 8%, 3%, 2%, and 1%. Basic package costs 0.002 BTC, starter 0.015 BTC, standard 0.05 BTC, enterprise 0.15 BTC, and professional 0.35 BTC for 365 days contracts. The next one is Chickenfest. Chickenfest is a Bitcoin cloud mining investment strategy that is simple to use and understand. Chickenfest is a cloud-based Bitcoin mining pool that has been up in the market for a long time. The company employs a proprietary algorithm, CHKNI patent, that automatically transfers computer horsepower to the most profitable digital currency like Bitcoin. The company was established in 2015, and its first service was cloud mining. They investigated the cloud mining sector and discovered that every technical jargon works to scare clients away. Cloud mining has never been easier thanks to Chickenfest. Chickenfest has simplified the cloud mining procedure significantly more than any other service provider. The registration process is simple and straightforward. To begin, you must first supply all of your essential information and make a deposit. Selecting the contracts offered by the platform is not a technological process. A profitability calculator is available for your convenience, allowing you to estimate your earnings by entering your deposit amount. Isn't that incredible? Anyone with no prior knowledge of the crypto industry may use and comprehend the platform. There are no hidden costs, and all payouts are made in BTC on a daily basis. The platform ensures a significant profit margin, which is determined by the contract selected. Live earnings figures are provided 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Customer service is exceptional at Chickenfest, and each customer is assigned to a personal manager who can provide important information and trade support. Classic, Gold, Platinum, Boss, and Bronze are the 5 contract categories offered by Chickenfest. The main distinction between all of the above-mentioned packages is that the amount of mining power they supply varies. Although the profitability rate on all of the following packages is nearly the same, at almost 12% every month. HashShiny is a Bitcoin mining platform that is safer to use and works faster. It was created in 2017 and has been operating in the business since then, providing cloud mining services for cryptocurrencies, including the world's most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. HashShiny's creators claim to have created the world's best cloud mining platform, complete with cutting-edge deployment technology. It is one of the most popular cryptocurrency cloud mining platforms available. It provides about 1.15% of the world's Bitcoin's hash rate. HashShiny.io presently supports a number of major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, Litecoin, Dash, and Decred. If you want to get started mining with HashShiny.io, the company offers a starter bundle. It provides a free 5th SHA-256 BTC hash rates to new users. To start cloud mining with the HashShiny.io, you only need to complete 3 simple steps. First, create an account with HashShiny.io and register yourself. To create an account, you must first fill out a sign-up from the official website by entering a personal information such as your first name, last name, email address, and so on. The next step is to make a decision on a strategy. 6 cloud mining programs are available for 6 distinct digital currencies. You have the option of selecting any of them. SHA-256 Cloud Mining for BTC Cloud Mining, Ethash Cloud Mining for ETH Cloud Mining, Script Cloud Mining for LTC Cloud Mining, X11 Hash Cloud Mining for Dash Cloud Mining, Blake 256R14 Cloud Mining for DCR Cloud Mining, and Equihash Cloud Mining for DCR Cloud Mining are the 6 plans available for ZEC Cloud Mining. The final step is to pay for the package you want to use, and then you may start cloud mining with HashShiny.io. Furthermore, HashShiny's major characteristics include pool allocation, expert team service, security, daily rewards, mobile app, mining switch, and low maintenance charge. IQ Mining began offering its services in late 2016. Customers are giving us a lot of favorable feedbacks these days. The company rents out remote equipment to users that want to participate in cloud mining. IQ Mining has attracted around 50,000 users in a short period of time. Bronze packages, silver packages, and gold packages are the 3 options offered depending on your needs and investments. There are a variety of cryptocurrencies from which to choose for mining. There is no charge to register, and there is no subscription fee. To mitigate the dangers, smart contracts are available. The UI of IQ Mining is highly gentle and user-friendly. The platforms provide 4 major languages because they are based in Europe: French, Spanish, Russian, and English. Profit predictions are excessively high in comparison to investments, which is unfathomable. Small investments are appropriate for the platform until it achieves more traction with clients. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.